We are currently standing in our new property, which is behind Platinum BKC. It's located on the third floor of Adani Inspire BKC. This is one of our units. We have acquired a few units on the third floor. This is one of them. Let's go inside and see what's happening. We can see our CEO and CTO having a conversation there. Let's see what are they up to.
100%.
Hi Krish, hi Rohit.
Hi.
What's up? What have you been up to and what's this new setup?
Yeah, you know, this is the highest grade we have is coming up because this is, as you know, Mumbai, and this is the most expensive property we have signed up. So this is basically our makeshift office. So whenever I come to Mumbai, this was just set up. I'm kind of sitting and working out of here. Alok and a lot of our guys work out of here. My idea was that it's better to sit on the site and work, even though काम वाम चल रहा है, because ये mindshare is really required. See, Bangalore में क्या हो रहा है, ठीक है, site चल रहा है, इतने सारे site है, we have our office, we can keep visiting all the time. यहाँ पे ना, यहाँ पे बैठ के करना बहुत important है, because you know, we are putting up our board, उसके लिए काफ़ी permissions है. I personally, see, I'm a real estate guy, I love to, like, you know, I would rather be always sitting in under construction properties than a done office. For me, when the office is done, it's filled, that's like, you know, movie release हो गया. यहाँ पे movie बन रहा है, movie बन रहा है. And you see, this is not bad, you know, even though I think we are going to get AC also installed. Quickly, if you look at this small makeshift office, you should see कि you have the cooler and that his heater as well, so we can make coffee as well. Cold coffee or regular coffee, plug points वगैरह डाले हैं. This is all some of the furniture. I think we moved from Bangalore. So some of these things are there. So luckily this building also, while we are reworking our toilets, this building first floor has like a common toilet that's accessible for our staff and all. And luckily the sun is not directly hitting this side of the floor, right? We have a full large 72,000 square feet. But since the sun is not hitting directly here most of our working hours, I was expecting it to be hot, but it's been okay. And that too, this is like almost like peak summer. Now itself it is fine. But फिर भी हम थोड़ा standing AC वगैरह लेके आ रहे हैं. In fact, I was telling the marketing team, you know, your manager, to come and spend more time here because, you know, some approvals are required to get our board going, etc. See, unless you are here, it's not that, you know, mindshare से चला जाता है ना. And this is a very high profile project. You know, given the amount of rent we are paying, etc. So I think all out effort has to be done.
There is a possibility depending upon the location. This is a very high location. 99% there is a possibility. अभी इनको यहाँ से उठा के दूसरी city के बाद. We are going upstairs, no? Yeah. 10th, no? हाँ.
Krish, where are we going?
Upstairs, you know, they have given the 10th floor to somebody who is running sports and all there. There is turf, there is cricket, football, etc. And there is also an amazing view of BKC we can get there.
We have finally come upstairs. We have reached this point. What all major landmarks can we spot from here? Can you tell us about the view?
So, you know, this is a good viewpoint. We are on top of our building in BKC. In fact, you can see well beyond BKC also, South Bombay and all, Lower Parel, a lot of things are visible from here. So if you see that bridge, it's technically a river called Meethi River. It's become like a little bit of more of a rainwater drain right now. You have got BKC metro station. You can't see the metro station, it's under construction, it's getting launched very soon. Because it is underground, you can't really make out easily from here. It is going to be Asia's largest metro station. You can see the yellow metro line construction here. But if you kind of go this side, you see at the corner you have NSE, National Stock Exchange. That is India's premium stock exchange. BSE is in South Bombay, NSE is in BKC. This is the NSE headquarters. Next to NSE you have the Wockhardt building. Right after that you have the SEBI building. Bank of Baroda headquarters as well. There is a huge Bank of America office. Then there is ILFS here. This is the ICICI's headquarters. This is the headquarters of ICICI. Right next to it is NABARD. I think you can only see a little bit of top of it. Geo Center is kind of there. Here you have the Asian Hospital. BKC police station is also right here. So we are in a very important junction. A lot of it we deal with. You know, Beehive is a strong focus on finance now. Right. Since we are looking to do IPO, NSE is right here. It's something right important. Lot of banks जिससे हमें डेट वगैरह लेना है, रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस बिल्ड करने के लिए सारा पैसा इधर ही है. धरावी भी उधर है बस. If you see that mangrove, right, Yes. Like right across the mangrove, that side, that's Dharavi. Population wise, biggest slum in the world, population wise. Yeah. It's extremely highly dense place, and it's, in fact, it is getting redeveloped. Adani has doing redevelopment of that area. It's going to be one of the largest real estate projects in the world. Redevelopment. It's a tough project, but you know, see such a prime area right next to BKC.
After this, where are we going, Sesh? Which side?
So there are some properties. Basically, in Andheri side, we are exploring to expand. So Andheri is like north. Like I said, this is south. You see, sun is setting. That is west, right? This is east. So north from here is like that side. You know. So basically, we are staying in guest house in Kalina. Kalina comes like there, where we are staying right now. So thoda north means towards the airport. In fact, we are not very far from airport. Thoda north from here is airport, and airport se thoda us taraf Andheri. Further other side of airport is where we are exploring properties. There are some new metro line, aqua line जो आ रहा है इधर से जो शुरू हो रहा है वहाँ पे because of this metro line we are sensing, you know, are there good properties available, that is, you know, is there an opportunity for us to sign up some properties that are next to metro station. You know, we want to go and explore. So there is a building called Opus. We want to just go and have a look at it. And Rohit Parab, I didn't bring him here for his tech skills, even though he is our CTO. Reason he joined me here is because he is actually from Mumbai. So thoda Mumbai ka pulse, see in real estate, pulse of a property is very important. Since in the company, as you would know, while we have a lot of people, signing up of building is still, you know, something that I personally drive. If we go wrong in building sign up, it costs us heavily, right? Because we sign up building for long term, and then we invest heavily. एक भी गलत sign up हुआ ना थोड़ा effect होता है. तो इसलिए ना I kind of try to make the decision. And Bangalore, since I'm there from such a long time, that I know the pulse of it. एक रोड का इस तरफ क्या वैल्यू है, इस तरफ क्या वैल्यू है. That level of understanding, to be very honest, I don't have in Bombay. Of course, after Bangalore, I think I understand Bombay more than, let's say, Delhi, Hyderabad, because I've been coming here. I like to keep improving. To be very honest, ऐसा नहीं कि Bangalore also I fully understand. On Whitefield, I never understood before. Now I understand a little bit more. So I think it's always important to keep going to the ground. In fact, tomorrow we're going to Pune. I believe Pune, I need 5-6 visits at least to start getting a bit of orientation. We'll do a road trip to Pune. But today, let's go to the Andheri area. Okay. We'll go to basement also. We can shoot. This guy's a good basement.
There are 4 levels, no?
I think 4. I never went. They always drop me there and go. See, this building has okay, 3 basements here, B1, B2, B3. Our car is in B1 right now. Let's go to B1. In fact, in BKC, it's not as easy to get parking. This building has a better car parking ratio compared to most of the buildings in BKC. Of course, it's never enough. See, no matter how much car parking you have, it's never enough. Because आजकल ना सारे घर में 2-3 कार होता है. But you know, this is one of the better and next to metro. दोनों फायदा हो गया ना. And this building, by the way, has like crazy amount of lifts. कितने lifts है इसमें? 16 lifts. 16. If you see the lobby, this building, you know, 4 for a 10-floor building, there is like 16 lifts, and each lift is big also. So that's what most of our employees don't know. What I do when I go, I actually spend a lot of time on ground, and I actually love doing it. I was reading about, you know, Livon karke hair oil ka, hair ka kuch आता था, serum, and then if you also see, ये वाला ना fog.
Fog, yeah.
He's the founder of that. I think you have to look up his name, Dharmesh or Dharmendra, very famous guy, probably a billionaire. He spends a lot of time going around India, meeting people, and Livon ऐसे देख ना, the way he developed this, he saw कि India में women are spending a lot of time drying their hair. ये वो देख के उसने वो product develop किया. Correct. हाँ, Darshan Patel. So he actually, he's most likely a billionaire, you know, according to me. And वो ना बिलियनर होके भी आप सोचो, लाइक यू नो, ये अल्टीमेटली ग्राउंड लेवल का काम करता है वो, तो मतलब यू नो, यू हैव टू डू दैट. फर्स्ट जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स, बिकॉज लाइक सी आई हैव आल्सो कम फ्रॉम मिडिल क्लास बैकग्राउंड वगैरह, तो आई अंडरस्टैंड what is important is the next gens now sometimes they lose that touch.